Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable AF with the shutter on the Sony A6400 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the camera section number 1, so this red camera section, and then we're going to go to page number 6 and select AF with shutter. And here you can enable or disable this option, and basically what it does is when it's on, half pressing this shutter button, so the button that takes pictures, is going to enable focus. So as you can see, this little light turns on, this red, so that means that the focus is working. But if you return and you disable this option, the AF with the shutter button will be disabled. As you can see, pressing it and nothing happens. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.